Hello again, dear students. We are back together with our spelling lesson for this week, which is about the homophones. So before we start, we are going to do a small recap about what we've learned before in the spellings. So remember that a consonant digraph is when two letters make together a new sound, like sh, make together sh, sh, make together ch, th, make together th or the, and ph make together th, like photo, think, child, shell. So consonant blend also is when two or three letters have distinct sounds. For example, pl, like play, sk, sky, gr, gray or green, kl, class, str, like street or strike. Now, what are the homophones? Homophone is made of two words. The first is homo, which means same. The second means sound, which is phone. So homophone means same sound, are words that have the same sound. So homophones are words that have the same sound. So we pronounce them the same, but the spelling is different. So for example, look how they talk to each other, this twin. We look the same, Chip. That's true, Dale, but we're actually different, just like homophones. So homophones are words that sound the same, but mean different things and have different spellings. So let's take, for example, these words. We have way and way. So both of them are pronounced the same. They have the same sound. Way, way. But the first one is spelled W-A-Y. The second is W-E-I-G-H. So what does the first mean? Which way shall I go? So way here means path or road or direction. But what about the second way? I weigh fruit at the supermarket. So weigh is when we try to measure the weight of fruits or vegetables when we go to the supermarket. So for example, this pear weighs 2 kilograms. Grate and grate. So here we have the verb grate the cheese, which means to shred it, and grate big shark, which is an adjective because it describes the size. Sail and sail. So sail, for example, let's go to Claire's. It's making a big sale. So it's when you want to buy something, we say it's on sale. And sail with the ship, which means to go in the sea. We have these three words, sent, sent, and sent. The first sent, which is spelled S-E-N-T, means a package to, which means something that we send it. It's the verb. She sent a package to her family in another state. Cent here, C-E-N-T, means the small coin that we use it to buy small things. A penny is 1 cent. So this coin, like 1 real, we call it cent. Now the scent here means the smell. The word scent, S-C-E-N-T, means the smell. So the scent of the flower was wonderful. Here we have O and O. So for example, oh, that's nice. We're a team here. So here O, we use it for exclamation to express our feelings. O here means I owe you an apology. Graphman, let's keep it that way. So O, for example, I gave you my sandwich. I owe you a juice. So you gave me a sandwich, I give you a juice, I owe you a juice. Yani you have to take from me a juice. Here we have some commonly confusing words, it's and its. The first one does not have apostrophe, but the second has apostrophe, and it is a contraction. So here it's a possessive form of it. So for example, please be careful with the plant, its leaves are delicate. So when I want to describe something that belongs to the plant, I'm talking about the leaves, I say its leaves. Means the leaves of the plant are delicate. It's a great day to go to the beach means the subject pronoun with the verb to be is, but together are contracted and it becomes its with an apostrophe and s. Cell and cell. So cell here means the unit of our body. So our body is made of cells. But sell means to sell something. I want to sell you my sandwich. Give me 2 riyals and I give you my sandwich. So let's make a small practice now. I will tell you the word and you have to guess which of these words is its homophone. So choose the correct word to match the homophone's picture. The word is scent. Which word has the same sound as the word scent? Is it send or sand or scent? You guessed right. Very good. It's scent. C-E-N-T. Now the word great. Which word is the homophone of the word great? G-R-A-T-E. Is it great or great or grit? Excellent. It's great. G-R-E-A-T. Now the word be. Is it buy, like bicycle, or buy, or be? It is be. So we have here also hare, which means rabbit. Which word is its homophone? Is it here or hair or here? Excellent. It is hair. Can you think of more homophones? So I'm going to leave you to think about more homophones and do the practices in your spelling book. And until the next time, stay safe and wash your hands.